Hi, I'm Joanne, and with cameraman Steve, this is Make, Taste, Rate, where we test viral recipes for you. This recipe we're making today is called Pavlova Bombs, and the creator of this recipe says they look so innocent, but when placed before you, they explode with delicious fillings. So is this recipe easy? Is it worth it? Let's make it! For this recipe, we first need to separate the yolks from the whites of the eggs to make the meringue and save the yolks for later. Can you hear the chirping birds in our garden in the background? They sound very happy today. And whisk, slowly adding the sugar. Mixing vigorously to soft peaks and then adding the corn flour and the vinegar. The creator demonstrates a clever trick of placing small amounts of meringue on the corners of the baking pan so the grease-proof paper sticks to the bottom. Filling a piping bag with the sticky meringue mixture was challenging. Attempting to pipe dome-shaped meringues onto the cake pan, the creator has real talent when she demonstrates this in her video.
Yeah, that was good. That's good.
Cameraman Steve giving me words of encouragement. I keep going with the meringue-covered sticky fingers. The creator makes this look so easy. Into the oven they go. Now baking for an hour and a half. Now I need to grate the lemon zest to put into the sugar. If you are enjoying this video, please give it a thumbs up. The lemon zest is for the lemon curd, as per the recipe. Now we're mixing the sugar, egg yolks, lemon juice and butter into the saucepan. Placing it on the stove to thicken into a custard-like texture. Now straining for a smooth consistency. Popping it into the fridge. Meringues have got 33 minutes to go. Now making the raspberry Koolie as per the recipe. To make the raspberry Koolie, we mix raspberries with sugar and bring it to the boil. Take off the heat, blitz and strain. Sieving into to remove the seeds. Cameraman Steve feels that removing the seeds is a waste because he loves the seeds in the raspberry. Don't you, Cameraman Steve? Quick bits of this pistachios to use for added crunch in the end, as per the recipe. Now to allow them to cool in the oven for 3 hours. Now to mix 1 cup of heavy cream with 1/2 tablespoons of sugar and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla essence until softly whipped. Subscribe if you would like to see more of our recipe tests. Removing the cooled meringues from the oven, they look good enough. Creating a small hole in the bottom of the Pavlova bomb so that we can fill it with the delicious filling. Now filling the piping bags with the Koolie, the lemon curd and the cream. Now to add the fillings. Piping cream onto a pretty plate, placing the Pavlova bomb on top, topping with the fresh cream, a little raspberry, some mint leaves for garnish, dusting with icing sugar, sprinkling with pistachios, and voila, this pretty little Pavlova bomb. Would you make this recipe? We would love to hear from you. Time to try this Pavlova bomb. This is delicious. These are awesome little Pavlova bombs, and they did explode when I hit the top with the spoon, and taste delicious with the lemon curd and the raspberry Koolie and the cream mixed with the sweet Pavlova. Absolutely tastes delicious. There you go, Cameraman Steve.
Delicious.
All right, time for the make, taste, rate, verdict. I score this recipe an 8 out of 10. Cameraman Steve scores this recipe an 8 out of 10. We think this recipe is worth it. Please join us next time when we test another very popular recipe.